I want to congratulate all my countrymen. Today I am going to talk about the sacrifice of our freedom fighters for the independence of India. Indian independence was not an easy task. I completely adore the father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi. I like him because he chose the path of non-violence and won freedom without any weapons, only the truth and peace. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose was a great freedom fighter. He led the Indian National Army to show the power of India to the British. His famous line is remains to be give me your blood and I will give you freedom. Nehru was also the greatest leader despite being from a rich family. He gave up the easy life and fought for India's freedom. He was imprisoned a number of times, but that did not stop him from fighting against injustice. He was a great impression of many freedom fighters including Bhagat Singh, Mangal Pandey, Chandrasekhar Azad, Rajguru and Sukhdev played a critical role in the country's independence. That they fought against the British rule and made the country a free bird again after so many years of slavery. In honor of the youngest freedom fighters on Indian Bhagat Singh, he threw two bombs in the legislative assembly chamber in Delhi. Chandrasekhar Azad played with role in the India's freedom struggle. He was associated with the Hindustan Republican Party. He was involved in the Kakori train robbery of 1925. Thank you. Jai Hind.